Kinger's brother. What's in here? I'll tell you another. Here's a story about Kinger's man. I'll tell you, boys, they fucking love you. Tall, thin with bright eyes, cigarette boots up to his thighs. His history's looking mighty hazy, but I'll tell you, boy, he's got it rhythm. Whiplash legs, drinks a lot, likes to fight, and that's just bad right. Dirty boots and scruffy clothes, flowering eyes with a bloodshot nose, stopped his hair with a hurricane, jumped and nose and killed his brain. God, but the next man is the next man. Jesus has to get the booze, hell, keep that thing. He lived like no other can. Jumps and booze and killed his brain. They took his body and his life. She was so barren. I went with her bed real last night. And I woke up this morning. I thought I'd woken up with this grizzly bars. Yep. Right. Cool. Not often shaved my eyes. Don't think I'll be doing it again. Poo-wee. So, what are you all up to then, you puffs? Apart from going to see Wham next week. Who's going to see Wham? Thought so, bunch of faggots.